Hello Canadian gardeners, cold climate gardeners, and gardeners of the extremes. How are you guys doing today? Right now I'm working in my own garden, but I decided to bring my camera, my whole getup with me just so I can show you kind of what I'm doing so I don't forget any of kind of my hacks when it comes to gardening. So this hack has to do with seedlings and how I water them. So my main goal and focus every time I water a plant is to reduce the stress on the roots, and that goes for all my plant care. So because I am a soil scientist, my main objective is how do I nourish those roots, because once I nourish the roots I can nourish the blooms and the leaves on top. So my hack is actually a bucket of water that is placed in front of my heater so that every morning when I come out to water my plants, my water is warm. Now, you can also just leave it in the greenhouse and throughout the day it'll get nice and hot as well. It doesn't have to have fertilizer. I do have fertilizer in mine. I do about half the concentration on my seedlings, and I only start fertilizing once I have true leaves. So that means once I don't have my cotyledons, I also have the leaves itself. So this guy, for example, or this guy has true leaves now. So when I water with the warm water, what it does is it actually nourishes not only the roots themselves, but the microbiome inside the soil. So that means there's a lot more action in there for the plant. Now, if I watered with cold water, I'm potentially triggering a life cycle where the seedling now thinks it is wintertime and it's time to go into protection mode or into dormancy. So to prevent that and to keep them sailing onwards, what I do is I use warm water. You can do this just in your kitchen with some lukewarm water. You do not have to have a bucket laying out like I do, but it is something to think about. It does not need the fertilizer, but it can have it. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment as to what your seedling hacks are, or if you already knew about the whole idea of warm water, or if this is something new that you just learned today. I'll see you guys next time for the next video, which will be coming out tomorrow. I post every day when it is springtime because it is so much activity happening and there's so many different things going on. So I want to get all that information to you guys to help you succeed this year in gardening. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you can learn from my videos. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, hey there. Are you still watching? Make sure to hit that subscribe button for some more awesome plant videos.